Hello and welcome to Jeremy-Reviews.com, where we bring you honest reviews every day. Today I'm going to be reviewing SwiftMember 2.0. This is an awesome all-in-one membership plugin, so I'm going to show you how this works. So here we go. We're going to start off. The first thing you're going to need to do is you'll need to add a member site. You can make this member site any name that you want. So in this case, we'll just go and make this test. And we'll make the URL test. As you see, the test is going into previews contest. And then you can pick your default template. And then you're going to click add membership, which I'm going to go through part of the emails and stuff. So email, we'll just say test. And then test1 at, test1 at test.com. It doesn't matter for these. I'm not going to go through all the settings on this because I'm going to be making a training video. I'm just going through this real quick for you guys to see how this works. And you pretty much, you got your autoresponder, so you can put in your codes in here, your API keys, and pretty self-explanatory. Your theme, there's pre-selects if you want to select those on the drop-down menu. And there's a whole bunch of options in here, different colors and custom coding and all that. Again, I'm going to go ahead and go over some of that stuff in a training video. I won't go too in-depth on this, but a little bit in-depth, more in-depth than I am right now. Anyways, that's how you'd make a membership site, is you add that information in, and then you'd go to the bottom and add member site. Since I already have one made up, I'm not going to go into all that to show you all the ins and outs on how to design the site per se. There's a lot of options on here, so I'm going to have some training videos on different things. Your dashboard shows you your sales and activity within the last few days. When you start getting sales, that'll go up or down. And when you go into products, this would be where you put your products. So in this case, like Irresistible You is the product that I have on here. That's an ebook. And you put in the price and all the other information for it, which again I'll show you on the training video. I'm just trying to make this a brief overview. Then you got courses, where you can add courses, which is really cool. I think it's a great feature. The only problem I've found with courses is if you're using a theme called ProStyler. ProStyler theme and SwiftMember do not get along, so you're going to have to use something else other than ProStyler, or just use your basic editing for your posts and pages. Pretty much every other builder out there that I've tried seems to be working perfectly fine with it, but ProStyler does not get along well with SwiftMember, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. And that's mainly for just adding courses that I've noticed it glitching majorly. So and you got your users, so you could view what users are in here. Like I have some users actually in here. You can view your orders. If somebody's ordered, you can view that, what date it was done on and stuff, which is great. You got a licensing engine, so you can add licenses real quick. If you actually had any, you could go and click add license, then view a you go to the products. In this case, I don't really have one, but if this were, let's say, a piece of software, I'd click generate and it'll generate a code automatically. I'm not adding that though, just showing you how that works real quick. You can view domains and where the licensing keys are being used. That's basically what that's for. Which we don't really need to worry about that. Not even going to add anything or do anything. You got your reports in here where you can view reports. You can pick out whatever your product is and then click view report. And it'll give you a report on how many sales you got for whatever that product is, which that's great. Gives you a breakdown. You got your utilities and your logs, which right now there's no log messages or anything. HTTP request, information, your database. Here you can clean your database, reset your database, export your database, and import a database. And then your tutorial videos, there are some tutorial videos that are actually built in, so you can go through these and actually learn a lot more information on how to do a lot of these different things. again, I'm going to be going over some stuff that's not covered in this training. Oh, it looks like somebody actually did add a video in there, so that's actually great. So there is a little more information now. But anyways, this is where you can find most of the videos, so that's awesome. Alright guys, basically I'm going to show you what it looks like now if you were to go log in. So if you were to log in, you're not going to log in through the regular WP admin. Since you are making a member site, for example, I had a member site right here, ebook, so we're going to go and log in with that. So there's the ebook, and I'm going to just go with somebody else's login, because this is actually a login I gave somebody for free, just as a test. And we'll go ahead and check it out, show you what it looks like. Oops. That's my bad, I put in the password wrong. Alright, now I didn't do all the pages for this, okay? This is going to be the home page for whatever your product is that you're selling. You can change this home page and actually have it display anything you want a page within this. I just didn't do that for the demo purposes of showing this real quick. It's not actually difficult, because it even tells you right here what to do. The page or post that you specify in the member site theme options was removed. Please fix the issue above. It tells you how to do it. Page or post and member site theme options. I'm not worrying about that right now. That'll be in the training also. So like the products, because this one has irresistible use, so there would be that product, and all they would have to do is click the download button, boom, download it to the drive wherever they want to put it. If you had licensing key information, the products would be any product, by the way. That would even be like a program or whatever. If there was a licensing key also associated with this, the licensing key information would be in here, what type of license key it was, if it's a unlimited domain, developer copy, stuff like that. When it says license type, domains, this is kind of like what I was showing you on the back end. This will show the domains that are registered with a given licensing key. And then of course you got your account settings where you can change your account information. Purchase history, if you purchased anything in your log out. This up here, you put your own logo, whatever logo you want. So that's designed by you. And that's pretty much an overview of this. Just so you guys are aware, when the courses first came out, I did talk to OJ James about it. There was a minor issue. If you would go and add later, you'll see if you buy through my link how to add the courses and all. But when you go to add courses, it used to be add lesson, and then after you added the one lesson, you would have to go back to view courses and then add lesson. But that has been fixed. I brought that up to OJ James and his support staff, and they took care of that issue. So that has been fixed, so it's easier to add the actual lessons onto whatever your course is. If you guys buy through my link, I'm going to be giving you an exclusive training, trying to cover as much of this as I can. That way you can see from my mistakes what I've learned were mistakes and how to fix those mistakes. I'll show you extensive on the video courses and how to set those video courses up as well, just to make things a lot easier for you. So don't forget to buy through my link down below, and I will see you on the other side, as everybody says. You guys have a great day. Again, like I said, the only problem that I saw with the software at first was the video courses. Since then, I haven't ran into any problems, so I can't tell you there actually are any problems with the software at this time. I do kind of like that it is separate from your regular logins, like your WP admin and all that, and WordPress logins. So you don't have any security issues where somebody might find a way or backdoor into your site through the back end, because I have found some people that are pretty ingenious on figuring things out like that. This is all plugin controlled, and this design of the page is actually plugin controlled. I'll show you what I mean, because if we go to the front site front side of this. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. But as you see, the front side, there's nothing to this site. I'm showing you the members area and the plugin. So I hope this review's helped. If you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to send me out an email. And you guys all have a great day, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys pick up from my link. I might be adding additional bonuses. I haven't decided at this time, but I will be adding a training video. You guys have a great day.